Hi, I'm Kevin Alex Bent. Welcome. Now, I want to do a video this afternoon, right now, and I want to actually share with the audience of what I'm thinking and what am I planning for Earth World Trade for 2021. Before I start, I am Kevin Alex Bent. I am the CEO of Earth Wealth Trade Group of Companies. Now, I want to say to my customers out there, I want to say thank you for 2020, and I want to say that I appreciate you all, and I want to say I'm looking forward to doing a lot more business with you guys in the 21st century. The 21st year, 2021, is coming up, and for the next 100 years in my reigning, being alive on Earth, I'm looking to do many things with my people. Now, that being said, I want to touch on base on a few things that I've been seeing happening overall on the internet with businesses that I've been a part of, and also the plans that I have in store for my communities of people within the earth. Now, this is what I'm thinking. I've taken the liberty of making a few notes here of things that I want to touch base on. Now, let's begin, shall we? So the first thing I want to touch base on is that a lot of companies that I've invested in are doing very well. I'm happy to say. For companies that I've invested heavily in the stock market, it's doing very well as well. And also the industry within the Forex market, and also the markets within the crypto market, very well as well. 2020 has been a very successful year for me, and I want to thank everybody who contributed to my wealth and to my development as well. Now, that being said, there's a lot of companies that is evolved, that has been evolved over the year of 2020. Many of these companies that I've been a part of are doing fantastically well. You have a few companies that I've invested in and made a returns from it, but they gone bust. Now, some of these companies I'm talking about are networking companies and companies that does affiliation networking online. Now, in particularly, there's a lot of companies that emerge from these industries of network marketing companies online. I am saying this because the fact is, I want you guys to understand that even though I invested in these companies, and gain a significant return from it, or made back my investment and profit, I want you to tell you that these companies that evolve from some of these same companies, they are actually not doing anything different. They're not doing anything different, and I'm going to explain why. The same business concept and business model is the same thing that I've been seeing that is regurgitating and redo and re-sketch and re-edited and tailor bit tweaks and to make it a new company, which is garbage in my view. There's nothing original about it. And that being said, I've seen companies with $99 attraction to get on board within some of these network companies that just emerged or emerging right now. Also, companies that started out with $20 initial startup, that is to get you on board, and then they change the price from $20 to $99 sign up. And it's the same thing with these new companies. They attract you with a low price, and then they switch it up to a $99 or even more packages. Now, when I'm looking at all of this, Earth World Trade is a unique company. It's a company where you can actually do things yourself. It is a self-reliance company where you can actually dig within your own self and your creativity to make the person that you want to be. So you can be your own 13 gods in one man, or you can be your own 13 gods in one woman. Now, that being said, I want to point out a few more things. So this is what I'm thinking. I am thinking that since everybody that I've seen so far in the space right now, since us everybody within the space since everybody within this space is going $99, I'm looking at it, I am willing to give my clients for the new year a $66 deal, $66 US deal, where they can actually learn Forex for $66 monthly. There's nobody in the industry that is doing that. So before, I want persons to actually understand that I was giving away the Forex lessons for free. And I want persons to understand that for the new year, with the $66 as well, and persons who do not have any money, they can actually join Earthworld Trade Legends Academy group on Facebook, and they can watch and get the information that I've taught many students before for free. Also, there is the YouTube channel, which gives a lot of tutorials videos as well, which is Earthworld Trade page on YouTube. Now, that being said, I'm still going to dig a little bit more deeper. Now, since as for persons who love trading, have a passion for trading, they want to learn trading, so I offer that for free, because some persons don't have the money. Some persons within the earth right now are very much dishonorated. They actually don't know how they're going to get by. So I wanted to create that aspect where persons can get it for free, and for persons who want tutoring and mentorship, they could actually pay the $66 and get the training that they need. Also, I'm saying to you this because the fact is, I am not a financial advisor. I am simply sharing information that can change your lifetime right now. Now, I'm also saying this in the sense that since as that is an issue where money is concerned, it shouldn't be. And that's why you can get it for free. And if you want coaching and mentorship, you can pay the $66. Now, that itself is a low price, affordable price, a price that is reasonable, that I think many persons can afford it based on the research. Now, I'm also looking at the fact here. I am also looking at the reasons why I want to do this. The reason is this: I want persons to create a legacy where they can actually go ahead and they create a future for their sons and daughters, and pass on the knowledge that is actually much paramount right now. We're moving in an era which is a digital space, and like it or not, you will be working online. Online is the new way forward. The governance of the world, they're moving from fiat currency to a digital space environment and society. Get with the time. That's what I'm saying. So I want to also say the reason why I'm doing this is also, I've written it down here. I want persons to actually know that there is hope. There is hope. Persons like myself, a king like me, a king like I will give you that hope. I want to make it a little bit more interesting than just talking about trading on a whole, if you want to do that. For persons who are passionate about starting a business and you want to start your own company, but nobody ever helped you, what I want to do is to help persons to create their own business logo, create their own business name, create their own brand, help them with their social media platforms, and actually bring them up to speed by helping them with a business model plan. I will do that for you guys. Okay? Now, terms and conditions do apply, but I can guarantee this much, is that the fact is, if you show me interest that you want to start your business, I will work with you. Currently, I have quite a bit of clients that I've been helping to develop their business online via website, social media platforms, company logos, business plans, and so on. And it is there. The track record is there. Now, what I also want to say to you guys is this: persons within the same network of people that is online that are offering business, they say own it. I am telling you the same thing. I am saying to you, own it. So not because you're going to come and learn with me at Earthworld Trade Academy, but I want you to own something. So instead of you actually trading, which is fine, I want you to start a business for yourself. And I want to interview you and tell you and tell you what I can do for you. And also I want you can tell me what you can do for yourself. I want you to explain to me that what you love. If you love what you do, then the fact is I can guide you properly. And that is what I'm working on right now, is to find individuals that are passionate about what they want to do. Not just to just go and just find a job. That era of time is outdated. Many companies right now, they're laying off people, they're not employing anybody. And this is where it's a good way in the society for you to dig into your creativity and to develop your own passion and find what you're good at and develop it and then monetize it and then become a business of your own. Now, that being said, but I also want to touch on one more point that I want to give you an insight of what I've been planning to do for 2021. Now for 2021, the Forex is there. The crypto market is be something that I'll be very much digging deep into and to explain properly to you guys out there that want to get into the crypto space. So we'll be looking at cryptocurrency, what it is. We'll be learning more about cryptocurrency. We'll be learning more about compound interest in cryptocurrency, how you can actually lend your cryptocurrency out and actually gain interest on cryptocurrency. It is what it is. Cryptocurrency has been around for an inception of time. It is always binary codes. It is only 5% of fiat currency is actually in circulation. The rest of the money is always on a server somewhere storing data. That's it. So the fact of the matter is, I want to show you how crypto really works. And the banks and the financial institution, they know fully well it's all about crypto. So I want to touch base on that. I just made a little statement about that, what I'm going to be doing for my team and the people around me for 2021 as it relates to crypto. Also, I want to be looking at personal development, which is very much crucial to any business owners and for all these new entrepreneurs out there. I want you guys to thank you for watching. I want to thank you personally for watching, and actually just say we're doing bigger things and awesome things will be coming out from Earthwell Trade for the new year. I want to say on behalf of the group of companies here at Earthwell Trade, I want to thank you. I want to thank my company significantly, and I want to thank my company members significantly, and I want to thank the public at large and my team members significantly. Thank you all. Kevin Alex Bent. Bye bye.